Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about application of integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. The question, they want to find the arc length. So in this one, we need to find first the derivative of x with respect to t. So this one, that is about the constant. So you got number 0. This one, we have 2t. So number 3 and number 2, we have number 6. Now we need to do first the derivative of y with respect to t. This one, that is about the constant. So you got number 0. This one, we have 3t squared. And we have 6t squared. Now we can apply the formula in here. We have f equals to the integration from 0 to number 1. And we have the square root. And we have first the derivative of x with the power number 2. And first the derivative of y with the power number 2 dt. So I will put this one cone here and this one cone here. And now we have like this. Next, we need to do about factorization by 36t squared. So from 0 to number 1, this is about the positive. So the square root of 36t squared, we have number 6t and the square root of 1 plus t squared. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of 1 plus t squared. Now we put the power 2 for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one, we have 2u du. This one, that is about the constant. So you got number 0. This one, we have 2t dt. Number 2 and number 2, we simplify. Next, we need to change the bounds. So when t equals to number 0, we put number 0 cone here and we can find the value of u. So t equals to number 0, so u equals to number 1. Because the square root of number 1 plus 0 square, we have number 1. When t equals to number 1, that is from here, and we put number 1 cone here to find the value of u. So u equals to the square root of number 2. And now we need to change the new one. Number 0, we change by number 1. And number 1, we change by the square root of number 2. So t dt, that's it in here. we change by u du. The square root of 1 plus t squared we change by u. Number 6 we keep the same. And now we have like this. The integration of u squared. We have u to the power of 3 over 3. And we put the bounds from number 1 to the square root of number 2. And now I will put this one gone here. Number 1 gone here. And now we have like this. So we calculate this one. So we have number 4 with the square root of number 2 minus number 2. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.